Hey guys, so this is how I made my delicious chicken wrap. So first I went ahead and cut off my chicken. After cutting off the chicken, I proceed to season it. So after that, I got some bell pepper and some onions, chop it up, heat up some vegetable oil. I proceed to fry my chicken. After my chicken, I got some butter and some vegetable oil, and I went ahead and fried my pepper and my onions. So after that, I proceed to make my sauce. All I needed for my sauce was some plain yogurt, some mayonnaise, and some seasoning. And after that, it was time to make your wrap.